One day I'm walking down the range and I hear a whole bunch of people yelling and hollering. Things like, get him, and all right, and be quick, and things. So it sounds to me like they're cheering on some kind of sports team, which it's fairly common. And as I'm going by one of the cells, I just happen to look in and I see a guy on a television, and he's chasing another man around a tree. And the man that's doing the chasing has a pistol in his hand, and he seems to be trying to shoot the other guy. And so I asked the inmate, I said, is this some kind of movie or something? And he says, no, this is live news. And the rest of them are yelling, get him! And I said, well, what's going on? He says, well, this guy he's an attorney, and he lost the divorce case really bad, or he screwed over his client, and the client's now trying to shoot him dead. And I said, oh, I see. And then some of the other officers heard the explanation as to what's going on, and they started cheering on the killer, I guess you could say, to shoot his lawyer. And I thought, wow, all these other prison guards have all been through divorces, and apparently they hate their divorce lawyer. And the inmates, they always hate not only divorce lawyers, but lawyers in general, because they lost their case and they blame the lawyers for it. In other accounts of my experiences in the federal prison service, I feel I've spoken too much about myself. After all, I've run my race, a retired corrections officer and an old man well past the half-century mark. My only use is to record some of those incidences worthy of remembering. The world is not interested in an old man. It is concerned only with youth and action. It forgets that we were once young men, strong, impetuous. It forgets what we did. But that's always been so, and that will always be so. I, a retired CO of the Federal Prison Service, am fit only to amuse the present generation with tales of bygone days. Well, so be it. I'm content. I would not exchange my memories of those bold and daring days even for youth and strength again, had I to live that youth and waste that strength in this soft and pampered age. But no more of this. It's too easy for an old man to rumble on about himself. The only the CO who walked the hallways of USP Marion is of any interest here on this channel.